Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change password in Outlook client, your desktop app. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is, if you're using Windows, to change your password, go to File menu, Account Settings, Manage Profiles. So as you can see, these are the steps. Then you want to click Email Accounts. From there, you want to click on Change, and select your account and click Change. From there, you want to go to the password section and update your password and click on Next, and then confirm it. If you're on your MacBook, open Outlook Preferences, go to Accounts, select your Outlook account, enter a new password in the password field, as you can see here, and just close the Accounts window. Outlook will save the new password automatically when you close the Accounts window. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.